He was an early OpenAI backer and is, in a way, trying to take society's hand and guide us all through the age of AI.
I mean, gosh, 12 years we've been talking.
Maybe longer. Oh, that's awesome.
A long time.
Yes.
You have been on the ground floor of some of the biggest tech platform shifts in history. The beginnings of the internet, mobile. Do you think AI is going to be even bigger?
I think so. It builds on the internet, mobile, cloud, data. All of these things come together to make AI work. And so that causes it to be the crescendo, the addition to all of us. I mean, one of the problems with the current discourse is that it's too much of the fear-based versus hope-based. Imagine a tutor on every smartphone for every child in the world. That's possible. That's line of sight from what we see with current AI models today.
You coined this term, blitzscaling.
Blitzscaling, in its precise definition, is prioritizing speed over efficiency in an environment of uncertainty. How do you go as fast as possible in order to be the first to scale?
Does AI blitzscale?
Well, it certainly seems like it today, doesn't it? And I think the speed at which we will integrate it into our lives will be faster than we integrated the iPhone into our lives. There's going to be a co-pilot for every profession. And if you think about that, that's huge.
And not professional activities, because it's going to write my kids' papers, right? My kids' high school papers?
Yes, although the hope is that in the interaction with it, they'll learn to create much more interesting papers.
You and Elon Musk go way back. He co-founded OpenAI with Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. You and I have talked a lot over the years about how you have been sort of this node in the PayPal mafia, and you can talk to everyone, and maybe you disagree, but you are all still friends. What did Elon say that got you interested so early?
Part of the reason I got back into AI, and I was part of sitting around the table in the crafting of OpenAI, was that Elon came to me and said, look, this AI thing is coming. Once I started digging into it, I realized that this pattern that we're going to see the next generation of amazing capabilities coming from these computational devices. And then one of the things I had been arguing with Elon at the time about was that Elon was constantly using the word robocalypse, which, you know, we as human beings tend to be more easily and quickly motivated by fear than by hope. So you're using the term robocalypse and everyone imagines the Terminator and all the rest.
It sounds pretty scary.
It sounds very scary.
Robocalypse doesn't sound like something we want.
Yeah, stop saying that.